Hello everyone. So this time I was thinking of doing another one of those experimental kind of streams like I did before. So I don't know, I think it turned out rather well. And that'll give me a break from Gold Bounty. Working on a few things for that, but it's a lot of, well, more experimentation, trial and error, but I don't know. Just a nice change of pace, I suppose, for now. So, for this stream, what I want to try is working on something, well, for lack of a better name, Horde control. About, would have been about a year ago or something. Came up with an idea for a new mechanic where pretty much you'd have your player object, you move around, do bits and pieces, but you'd recruit followers, or, well, in this case was you play as a zombie and you attack enemies in order to convert them into zombies, and they follow you around and they act as like an increase to attack and a bit of a meat shield bodyguard kind of situation. Yeah, still hashing out some ideas there. Like it was only an idea at the time, but it could be like, could be interesting. You've got like a group of fellas that are like your HP and your attack as well. Never really could get the Horde part of it to work, but we'll give it a shot this time. I mean, well, that's what this is about. It's what we're here for. So, let's get some coffee. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so let's start off with the objective. You can convert enemies, NPCs, etc. Follow you around and obey your commands. When the group takes damage, you lose a follower. Take damage with no followers, and you die. I know, this could get pretty complex, like with possible applications. So for now we'll just keep it simple, like gonna make some dudes follow you around and like formation. Just chuck that there. So just had a bit of a brainwave. Might be a way to, yeah, just keep it simple. So pretty much dudes are sitting around there not doing anything. You go up and convert them, then they come under your control. When you take damage, you lose a follower. Taking damage, no followers, you die. So it's like a HP health kind of system, I suppose. So let's break this down a little bit more. We'll go player behavior. Let's put up my things. Where are we? Yeah, that'll do. Player behavior. Whoa, hang on a second. Just change that down to there. Yeah. So I've already made play behavior lists before. You know the drill, kinematic body 2D, placeholder, stuff, getting technical. Attack, convert, behave, attack and convert behavior, health based on followers. Okay, take damage. I'd say that'll work for the first one. To-do list 2, we're going to go NPC behavior. This one could be different because I need to work this out first before we do anything. The reason being is because the idea is I'll sketch something up in a bit. For now we'll go, ooh, hang on a second, boo, boo. There, but no individual control. Follow player. Move on. Damage. Die. Okay. That'll be good for now. Okay. Just copy this just as a placeholder. Formation. Formation around player. We'll flesh this out later. For now, if we can get a player moving around, should be able to have done in the past. Get NPCs that, similar to the player, they follow you around. That'll probably be a good start. Then we can start futzing around with stuff here. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Sorry, a bit of a sniffle. Okay. Stop a grid. That'll do. Okay, so let's sketch some stuff out here. Pressure. Okay. Rightio, so we have. Well, sorry, mouse got tangled a bit. Alright, so we have. Going to need a better colour, that'll do. There. So we got the player, we got NPC. The idea is we get the player to attack. So first of all we got player attacking the NPC, then the whoops. Come on. Then we have the NPC following around on attack. However, if you take damage, dies. So player works, NPC works. The reason why I was saying before wait on the NPC is because we might have to change how it behaves. Will it be an area 2D? Like they just detects collision? Or will it be another player object maybe? Not sure. Probably keep it area 2D for now, because we'll just be detecting collisions and such. Doesn't really need like any kind of rigid or physics control, I suppose. Potential problem. We could always hum and haw about this, but we'll just get in there and build something, I suppose. What is the worst that could happen? So, empty project once again. Level 0. Save you in a new folder called Scenes. That is not how you do it. There we go. And new sprite. Let's see. Just need some basic objects. So I suppose. Okay, so Chucky there. Gonna grab you. Actually, we'll just grab a regular thing. We'll go orange. Whoop, and it helps if you stop a grid. There we go, orange. Put you there. And there. Okay, we'll save you in. Wait, whereabouts are we? Oh, last week. Oh yeah. Horde control. Sprites. We'll just call this placeholder, I suppose. Just keeping it simple. So export. Boom. We go to here. Sprites. Placeholder. Import. 2D pixel, re-import presets as default for texture in case we need more. Going to add in a tile map. We're going to make the cells 32 by 32. Going to create a new tile set, jump into here, grab that. We're going to go to sprites, placeholder, single tile, just put a little doohickey there. Wait, it's already there. Cool, we're going to call this one wall. New single tile, whoops, no, here, yes. Call this one floor. Set up, yes. This is going to be -1 on the Z index. This one is going to be 1. This create like a sandwich, like this would be the floor, player and other dudes in that area, and wall just to block it off. Wall collision, we are going to make just a simple one like that. Next one, yep. Okay, yep, that should be fine. So, guess we start drawing. Whoop. Let's try this one. So if I was to click this, that would fill in everything. Oh, so much for saving time. Whoops. And let's put in a couple of things to block in here. Whatever. We select our default as level 00. Cool beans. We'll just close you down for a wee bit. Add in some more stuff like that. Looks like a cave, I suppose. Debug. We'll just double check the collision shapes. Yeah, it's fine. Cool beans. Debug. Yeah, okay, okie dokie. Right, yeah, so we made a basic level. Now we make a player. So we kinematic body 2D. I'm going to chuck in a sprite, and we are going to add in a collision shape 2D. Let's make a make it 16 by 16. There, we'll just whoops. Knock this into a circle shape. And I don't know, give him let's give him a silly little face. Why not? Yeah, okay. Move you down to here. Okay, we go control export. We go to sprite. We're going to grab placeholder, chuck you there. Region rect is going to be. That is a good question. Grid snap. Make you 16 by 16. Enter. There. Region enabled. Very small fella. Maybe too small? I'll find out in a moment. Shape. Circle shape. Boop. There you go. Oh, better change up the name to player. Save there. Just go there. Yes. Link in player. Open. Boom. Yeah, it's way too small. Okay. All right. And whoops. And a slightly more derpy appearance. Okay. Okay, zombie-ish face. And we just add heaps more to that, but for now. Collision shape will stretch you out to there. Save and save and okay, yep, that'll do. So we got placeholder stuff there. Add in a new folder for scripts. That'll do. yes. Player, whoop, not you. Player, create. Actually, we'll lay off the health for now. We'll have to sort something out with that. Since the objects that are surrounding the player, they'll be his health. Physics process delta. Motion equals move and slide. Get motion. I'm going to put in UI. Times by move speed, which we should have done before, but we can sort that out. Effect 2.0. I'll pop up an error for a wee bit because we're going to be going to here, func, gets. Okay. Still going to have that up there because we do not have the move speed, which will make. We'll go 64. 2 times the size of the player. Varcalc equals vector 2.0. X equals the int of input dot is action pressed. We go ref plus. Oh wait, left and right. So we do that. We right first. Take away the int of input dot is action pressed. Oh, we're going to go ref plus left. Yep. Calc y equals of input dot is action pressed. I'm going to go ref plus down minus the int of input dot is action pressed ref plus underscore up. Let me go here. Just thinking ahead, well, we need to get the direction the player's facing in. No, not for now. Turn normalized. So what I've done here, a bit different from last time. It's an idea I had for utilizing this same bit of code, like just say for gold bounty or something. You want to get the direction, like the cardinal direction the player is moving in. So it'll be up, down, left, right. But you also want to get where they're shooting, up, down, left, right. So instead of making 2 sections, one for getting player movement, one for getting the shooting movement, just have one function that returns a vector saying, okay, so which direction he's shooting goes into vectors, or he's shooting up, or say he's shooting to the down right, or what have you. The same with movement. You can just say, okay, returns a vector, this is facing down right, this one's going up left, or whatever. So by passing in a string that is UI, here you go ref plus right, because that is here in the input map by default. Yeah, left, right, up, down, like UI left, UI right. So we go ref right, ref left, etc, etc. Just think it's a wee bit cleaner and can be used in more areas. Watch as I test it and it probably doesn't work or something. No, that's working fine. Okay, that's good. So I was saying, Hampo, what are you doing? You're just talking a bunch of garbage. Yeah. Coffee hasn't fully kicked in yet. But, I don't know. Speaking of which, So that's the first part. You know the drill, placeholder stuff. Yep. Going to move you further down. Maybe this is just, mental stuff. We'll go collision stuff. Okay. NPC behavior. That'll be next. The reason I've moved this down here. Got the player doing his own thing. The NPC doing their own thing. Well, in this case, it'll probably just be, sitting there doing nothing. However, depending on how we sort this out, this will be the tricky part. With the formation, I've got a few ideas on how to do this. I can make them follow the player itself or add it to the player object in certain positions around it. But sorting out this one first, because I want to avoid all the humming and hawing about how to get it to work. So that could work actually. Maybe. Oh, my apologies. Getting lost in my own head. Let's just make it. Grab you. We'll make you a blue color, maybe. Let's see. Okay. Grab this as a different kind of face. Yeah, okay. That'll do, I suppose. What are we after here? 2D scene. Change type. Rigid or static? We'll do area 2D for now. My head's just running away with different ideas. It's like, what would be the right way to do this? I mean, there's lots of different ways, but got to pick one, I suppose. NPC. Why not? Add in a sprite. Yes, and we'll add in a... not that one. Illusion shape. Chucky there, but we're going to grab the texture region there. And a region enabled. Boop. Collision shape. Circle. Boom. Hooray. Player, NPC. Yep. We're going to put you into a group. Call this... Human. Oh, wait, whoa. That would have been a bit embarrassing. It's like, there you go, it's called human with a backslash. You try to reference that in code, be like, oh, no. Because the backslash is an escape character, which is used for lots of different things, mainly for strings. Like, do a little quick one. We'll go print hello, where do we go? World. Okay. So print there, hello world, in your thing. There. Come on, what do you call it? Console. That's it. It prints in your thing. If we go hello world, run you. Breaks up into hello, enter world. This is \n. The backslash says, okay, we're escaping from the text itself. Like, we're not going to display a backslash. It's going to be, okay, do something quickly. In this case, an end would be new line. So \n world. Hello world. This is me. I don't know. So it'll print you out there. Where are we? Hello world, this is me. Yeah. Pass. Okay. A bit of a digression. So, since you'll be checking for groups, like, what's the group name? Well, it's enemy. Okay, so you look for enemy, but if it has enemy \, it'll say, okay, enemy and what else is there? Like, that \/ will be like waiting for something. So, good idea not to have that with your, what do you call it? group names. Or at least that's what I think. I mean, I could be way off, but just working through logically in the past, like I read a whole thing on strings in the documents. Want to avoid making those kind of errors, like ones that you can easily prevent or keep in mind, so to speak. See, we're going to chuck you into scripts NPC. I'm gonna leave you there actually. I'm going to leave it there for now actually. Formulating another idea. I really should stop doing that. It's like, hey, you've got an idea of what you want to do. Go and do it. It's like, well, if we did it this way, then we could do this. NPC. We'll put up a grid just to... Yeah, that'll do. Put you over there. And moving that there. Yeah, he just looks a bit better. No individual control. Okay, follow the player on damaged die. Put another one here. Detect player attack. Action. Convert to player. Player. Okay. Okay. Once again, it has to do with formation. Whatever. So we're going to need the player direction, aren't we? Move you to a different layer. There's a reason for that, because we're going to be just making sure everything's fine and dandy. Go raycast 2D. Collision mask is only going to be on 2. Make one variable cast length. Cast size. 48. So you have to be close. So what I'm thinking is we grab the direction the player's moving in. So we go var dir equals 0. Okay, so we get array cast, which throws out array. When it hits something, it returns a signal, which is here. So, oh wait, no, not there. Hang on a second. Enable to exclude parent cast to. collide with areas. Yeah. Or is that a method? Hang on a second. Could have sworn you have a signal for like when the ray hits something. Oh, Oh, we found the first mess up here. Bugger. Okay, let's pop into the docks. Raycast 2D. Unless I'm going crazy. Because, I mean, there are other ways you can do it, but if we can do it as a raycast, just a little... that'll be excellent. If not... Light from its origin to destination position. Cast 2. We can grab the player direction and use that as a cast. Use to query the 2D space in order to find out the closest object along the path of the ray. The ray can ignore some objects by adding them as an exception, by add exception, using the proper filtering with the collision layers, or by filtering object types with type masks, which will be over here, areas and bodies. Because the NPC is an area, it's going to be an area. Okay, can be configured to report collisions with area 2Ds, collide with areas, and or physics by... Well, that's what I just said. Okay. Only enabled raycasts will be able to query the space and report collisions. Raycast calculates intersection on every... Yeah. Calculates intersection every physics frame C node. As a result, is cached so that it can be used later until the next frame. If multiple queries are required between physics frames or during the same frame, use forced raycast update after adjusting the raycast. Probably won't be needing this, but that's good to know. Like, if you're using coroutines like yield and such, so if you're doing yield idle frame, or yield on collision, or yield whatever, because it's stopping a code on the process frame, not the physics frame. So if you cast a ray, hit something, go yield, it's trying to detect two different objects. If you say, oh, when this ray hits that, it deletes, then that object is deleted, but the physics is still going, saying, wait a second, what's going on here? The ray, if it didn't have this cache, then it'll be like, the ray is casting, it hits something that's deleted. So the thing's deleted, but then the ray is going, wait, wasn't I colliding with something? There's nothing there. Gets a bit funky. Or if this body is touching another body, but you delete one of the bodies on touch, then the other one's going, wait, I was touching something, it's not there. There's an error. Not the best explanation, I suppose. Now, it's something that I've ran into Global Game Jam earlier this year. Yeah, I was trying to rig up my own global signals event sheet as an experiment, and when it was colliding with objects, it was throwing up errors saying, well, it's colliding with something that doesn't exist. What's going on? Eventually got there in the end. It's just using call deferred instead of a yield. Just more technical stuff. Anyway, I digress. Let's look into this. Enabled exclude parent. Yes. So those are properties here. Yep. Add exception. Clear exceptions for square. Get collider shape, get collision normal. Aha, is colliding. There you go. So that's a method. Turns a collision point where the ray intersects the closest object. Global is colliding. Get collider. Okie dokie, so that is what we're after. So we can grab the object, then we can go object is in group. I think. Is Well, there's one way to find out. Let's give it a shot. we're going to create a very basic one. We're going to chuck that there. We're going to move you to 48. Same. So keep it simple. Keep it simple. F3. Process. Need to test this out. On ready var ray equals ray cast 2D. Ray dot is colliding. Wait, if, because we're checking for it, if ray is colliding. Ref equals ray dot get collider. If not null, wait, if ref dot is in group, what do we call it? That brain fart. NPC, you were called human, I think, right? Yes, okay. Is in group human. Not throwing up errors yet, that's a good sign. We go modulate wait, is it? There. Visibility. It's a property, not a method. So here, ref modulate equals color red. Just double check. This is on. Yep, it's on there. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Light red? And yeah, I didn't think that would work. Pink. Okay. F5. Just a little bit closer. Done. Yeah, doesn't look too interesting. Let's bump it up. Color white plus pink. Because the base is white, instead of switching it to just pink, we add pink to it. Oh yeah, that is. Green. Green times by color. That's right, American spelling. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 1. Takes that as the green, bumps it back a wee bit. It is probably just going to be the same as regular green. Yeah, so there, here. Whoa. Work smarter, not harder. Okay. Just regular green would probably just be a little blip, right? Yeah. Which works surprisingly well. We want to make them appear like the player. Whatever, just a bonus. Okay, so make it follow player. For ref. No, what should we call it? Form equals to up. Vector 2 plus vector 2 right. Any errors there? No, okay, cool. Vector 2 right. Left vector 2 left. Whoop. Paste you in there. We're going to go up and left. Okie dokie. So what this form array is going to be used. Going to assign, wait, hang on a second, var health equals 0. Okay, so the idea is that when you collide with, when the ray collides with the object, the thing, it adds 1 to health, like we'll make it trigger a signal, adds health once. So we'll go to 1. Tell the object that it's colliding with to go to position 1, which would be here, up. So it'll appear above the player. Hang on a second, var space equals 72, just enough to stick out. So we space times by whatever this is. So first one would be up, up right, right, down, down left, left, up left. So it's like clockwise from 12 o'clock. We'll just keep it at 8 positions for now. Because I'm thinking you have that as like a shield group around you, that'll work, I suppose. Well, at least for testing. And instead of modulation, we are going to go make it emit a signal. The NPC. So the idea is when the ray hits, so that the ray isn't constantly, detecting the collision, make it hit once and say, okay, you over there, the guy that's been hit, you emit a signal. The signal says, okay, we are going to, what do you call it? Hit the signal, I'm going to be following the player now. So I change my state from I'm just sitting around doing nothing to, okay, following the player, cool. When following the player, then we've got all of the different positions. Say, okay, I am, checks the health because it adds a 1. Check the health, I'm in 1. Okay, I'm in position 1. There you go. So that it isn't checking all the time, that state shift should fix it. Should we check the state here or in the code itself for the NPC? Yeah, it's part of the fun, trial and error, I suppose. I mean, I have an idea of what I want to do, and we're making steps there. It's just the method behind it. Whatever. This isn't like an assignment or anything. It's just make something and see what happens. And oh yeah, well, might take a quick break and go and get some coffee. What have we got here? Similar to player. Just mark these off. It's done. Yeah. What was I saying? I'm going to take a quick break, get some coffee, work out this solution. Well, not so much work it out, just course of action. Yeah. Return string name. Hang on a second, what's this? Just noticed that error. Yeah. Oh. That's probably something when I was writing in the editor saying, oh, you missed out something, naughty naughty. Whatever. Yeah, so take a quick break and knock out this following behavior. Okay, so let's get to it. We are going to edit here first. No, we're not. We're going to go here. We're going to go okay. Oh, hell, just take a break. I'll work this out. Alright. So we need a state for this. First things first, we'll make some signals, which will be used to change between the different states. We're going to do follow, and we're going to go signal die. We're going to go here via variable state. Okay. We're going to go connect. We're going to grab the signal follow to self. Follow target. Okay, we're going to connect. Whoop. Die to another one. We're going to call it die. Well, we'll get rid of this target thing. We'll just go follow. Okay. No, we'll leave that there. Okay. Going to go match state. Whoop, 0. Call you idle. Just make that do whatever. 1. Call that 1. Follow player. Pass. Self queue free. No, we don't need that because we've already got a signal there for dying. Okay. Func follow. Pass. Func die. Self dot queue free. Yes. Okay, wait. Expected comma. Okay. Yep. That is following, that is dying. So as a connected, when we cast the ray from the player object, we're going to trigger the signal in here. I think. Just to make sure. Emit a specified signal. Property signal. Signal to emit. Emit signal. Miss the given signal. Signal must exist. It should be built-in signal, this class, or one of its parent classes, or user-defined signal. That's what we did, user-defined. This method supports a variable number of arguments. So parameters are passed as a comma separator list. For example, emit signal hit, weapon type, damage. Signal game over. So if that's a list, it's a fancy way of saying array. So therefore, if you go, on hit, argument 1 will be weapon type, argument 0 will be weapon type, argument 1 will be damage. Okay. From memory immediately. Safe deletion, the end of current frame. Oh, okay. Important, if you have a variable pointing to an object, it will not be assigned to null once the object has been freed. Instead, the point of the previously freed instance should validate it with this instance valid. Oh, okay. Well, don't really need that. Interesting. Follow. So saying player is ref. For the player, we're going to go position equals player global position plus player what do we call it? Player form. Form times by player form. Form we're going to have another variable up here called form. Player form, form. Form equals player health. Yes, yes, yes. Player form times by player space, I think we called it. Space? Yes, space, okay. Ref dot state. It's not equals 0. Ref emit signal follow. And we are going to put in health plus developer 1, iterate 1, and we're going to go health. This may work, this may not. Yeah. Oh dear. Form player health. Form is ref health. Okay, overcomplicated things. Crap. Back to the drawing board. Okay. We'll just test this out at the moment. We use that modulate script we had before. To make sure that it is actually detecting the signal. Well, it did just. Aha, we got ourselves a little thing down here, do we? Errors. Signal follow. Error 2D NPC. Cool. It's because I'm chucking arguments in there, that's why. No. So this should work. Change color. Good. Okay, that's working. Debug. It's probably going to throw up dir as being never emitted, connect, delta is never used. Yeah, that's just your standard stuff. Yeah. Declare but never emitted, it will be emitted. Die is declared but never will be emitted, it will be emitted. Connect returns a value but it's never used. Connect returns a value, it's never used. Delta, yeah. Variable player equals null. We're going to go we're going to do this. No, that's the wrong one. I can pass the player value ref dot player equals self self. Save. Follow, and we're going to go state equals 1. Here we're going to go print player. So does this work? Kinematic body, yes. Okay, that's good. So we're going to go self dot position equals player dot position. Position. Let's try this. So we can get it to follow the player. Good. Okay, it's following the player. That's a good sign. Plus player dot form player.form 1. We'll sort it out later on. Player.space. Maybe. There we go. And of course, because it's an area 2D, whoop, goes through the wall. But we can sort that out later on. We're going to put you here as form. So we do this again. Okay. Player. Health.1. Ref player self. It's going to. Oh wait. So the player is this one. Are we doubling up? No, we're just changing the state and the color. Okay. Ref player self. We'll put you down here just in case we form equals health. F5. So before we emit the signal which changes the state, we'll update things as needed. Yes. And put in another condition if health less than 8. Else pass. Okay, no. I'm 72, we'll put you at 48 roughly. Let's try you. Okay, that's alright. That's alright. Oh wait. Oh no, it should be fine. Should be fine. Go back to level 0. Whoop, not you. You to there, gonna move you to there, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going to need some more. Okay, cool. So when the ray collides, and we'll go in here and make visible collision shapes just to test this out. Okay. Looks a bit weird, but okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. That's cool. That's working surprisingly well, actually. Yeah, okay. So we come back to here. Whoop, hello. There we go. Convert to player, follow player. On damage die. That'll be up here. Allies move in a formation around the player. Yes. Whoop, not that one. That one. Attack convert behavior. We'll do that next. But it's setting the ray in the direction that we're moving. Yeah. Because I'm getting a few wires crossed. Made a Legend of Zelda-like melee attack before that used collision shapes instead of rays. Maybe we should revisit it with rays, because at the moment this is working out pretty well. Anyway, just talking to myself again. Alright. Spacing, health, direction, cast size, move speed, motion. Radar equals vector. Oh no, I detected on my radar. Vector 2-0. So we're going to go physics process if rays colliding, yada 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 yada. Chuck in some comments. Enemy. Okay. Boop boop. Movement stuff. Going to go up here. Get the direction the ray is moving, then detect if the ray is hitting something. Instead of, is it hitting something, but you change direction. Let's try and keep it logical. Okay, so change ray direction. We go activate my radar as get a dir. I'm gonna change this to dir. Makes a bit more sense. Get dir equals, we're gonna call that as UI for now. Potential thing you could have there is maybe movement on WASD or WASD and attack on direction keys. Yeah, that's fine. Ray dot cast to whoop. I'm gonna call this radar times by let's see. The player's 32 by 32, that's 40 over 48. Yeah, cast size. Oh, I need to find it. Oh dear. Alright, that saves a bit of time. Any underscore? No underscore. Okay. Cast to radar times by cast size. Yeah. Okay. Test this out. Yeah, That's working, and boom, and boom, and boom. Boom. Do 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 do. That'll do for now. Yeah. Just thinking of some ideas like, maybe make, an attack animation or action. Just walking into fellas should be enough for now. Because we got other things to worry about. Such as... make a damage plate. Not really a red there. Okay, we're going to make this into not a node 2D, we're going to make hurt pad. I don't know. Going to add in a sprite, then we're going to add in a collision shape. Sprite is going to be placeholder. Texture region is going to be, oh wait, no, grid snap, there we go. Oh no, didn't update. There we go. There. Region enabled on. Offset, it's not going to be centered because we're going to line it up with the tile map. New rectangle shape, we're going to make you that big, maybe it's there. Node signals, no, not that. Save as hurt pad. This is going to be a temporary one. Scripts hurt pad. Don't think we need any of that actually. Watch as that comes back to haunt me later on. Grabbing this, we're going to get connect. active, yeah, active equals, I call that false for now. Now we actually do need a ready. We're going to go this active equals true. On notepad, body entered. Body if body dot is in group. We're going to call this player. And active. Oh, not there, there. Body entered. Active equals false. Body dot health. Well, health there. Negative equals 1. Decrement. Body health is greater than 0. If when it leaves is in group player and not active, active equals true. Modulate whoa, that's not it. Modulate equals color red. Now we're going to handle this in a different location. No, actually we're going to keep it this way. I'm getting ahead of myself. Color white. Well, wait. Equals color white. So it appears normal. Appears a different color when something's on it. Modulate equals color white, just to make sure that it's all behaving normally when it started. Active. Okay. I just realized I didn't add in the bloody pad. Alright. Okay. Level tile map, level 0. Tile map. Going to add in a not you link herd pad. And we'll move the pad, ooh, there will do. Right over here. Yep. Okay. What I should do is move that to there. So that's fine. So we're behind the player. I can always do Y sword, but not important. this layer. Add in a label. Debug. Oh, we don't have a thing for this yet. Whatever. Okay, so onReady var debug equals it was $HUD/debug. Control K, we're not using delta, we're going to go label text equals player health plus better reference the player first. Player health. Debug. Le debug. Okay. Yep, that's my bad. Should have defined it as a string. Play health. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go over this. 7, 6, 5. Okay. Haven't got that yet. To convert behavior, yes. Take damage. Whoa. Yes. Health based on followers. That'll probably be the option there. Followers based on health. Since we can chuck values to the NPCs, what's to say that can't keep track of the NPCs that are in. Hang on a second. It's another funky one. So we've got player, we've got health variable, spacing, form. Form is the position. The NPCs, it tracks what the player is and any of its variables, which in this case is the position, spacing, and form. So grab space and grab form. If you make another dictionary, peons equals go null. Okay. peons penned. The value is going to be ref. Okay. This will let us keep a list of peons plus player, wait, needs to be a string, player dot peons. Let's test this out. Okay, so peons null, that's what we defined already. Null plus that one, null, whoop, there, and there, and there, and there, and there, and boom. Okay. So we can track what's inside of our little family. Okay. So when hurt's happening, decreases the player health. Let's make it modify the array. How would I do this? Well, keep it neat. Tell you what, take a second break, get some coffee, sort this out. We're close. Cause instead of humming and hawing, I'll just hash it out during the break. Yeah, I'll be back in a moment. Get this sorted. Rightio. So, detecting the number of peons there. Hurt pad, yes. Player. We are going here. We have chucked on a peon. I'm going to add a for loop here. Fill this up with null values so we don't get any problems in case the health and the number of peons are mismatched. The way I've got it set up, it should cover it, but just to be safe. So for in max health. Pass. We're going to make a variable up here called max health. Max health, we're going to call it 8. We're going to go peons dot append null. So if we go test this out. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is cool. So if we go to this one, aha, not append, we are going to go peons, whoop, not you, going to go health equals ref. Yep, so when that moves over here, should be null, then object, then another object. Another object. That is behaving as is. That's max. Okay. We're getting there. So we are going to go to hurt pad. Body health, -1. In group and active, we are going to go change that from just -1 to okay, we're going to go here and we're going to add a new function called hurt health. Wait, if health is greater than 0, going to go health decrement 1. We are going to go, no, we're going to do you first. We're going to go peons health equals null, going to -1. On the hurt pad, because this is a signal and triggers once, we are going to go here. Whoop, not player, body hurt. Player, I'm going to change that from there to there. Okay. So we are here. There. Not going to get the full complement. We're going to go here. Aha. Whoop, peons health. Dot emit signal. What do we put on here? We are going to go die. Die, die. Wait, emit signal, die. Yeah. Instead of referencing that deliberately, we're going to go die. Die, die, die. So if we do this, yes, 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 yes. You, then you die as well. Get you, and you're going to die as well, aren't you? There, and there, and there, there, there. Yep, and yep, and yep, yep. That's working. Excellent. Okay. Health based on followers, followers based on health. Yes, and you are done as well. And we're doing for time. Number 4. Razzle dazzle. Whatever. Razzle dazzle. We're going to do player animation. Whoop, not there. Can't even type. Player animations. NPC animations. That's all we really need to test, don't we? Just add like a little bit of visual flair to it. Fix. Fix conversion. See if we can make this a little bit better. Because at the moment, what we have is just one ray. Nothing wrong with that. Everything works as it should. We'll futz with this, just a bit of tweaking. But as for animations, we can get that sorted. Ugh, old creaky chair. Yeah, okay. Save. Alright. Got here. Oh no, spoilers. Projects. Got here. We have player animation, don't we? Yeah, we got this guy walking. That's fine. So we copy you. Get another one. Open. Projects here. sprites, we're going to go paste. And we'll just make it from scratch, it's not too bad. So player, you got sprite here. We are going to go here, we're going to go animation. Really going to learn how to spell. Animation player. Alright, so we are going to grab this. We're going to grab player Annie. Going to select the right bloody one. There we go. Get rid of that. Player Annie goes there. Disable region. Going to go to animation. 8 horizontal frames and 3 vertical. And we don't need texture region. Right. New animation, we're going to call it idle 1. Grab you, we're going to chuck your frame. I already had this, 16, there we go. Keyframe, create. Offset, we're going to go flip horizontal. Yes. That is the wrong frame altogether. 0. Let's see, yep. Idle. Animation. Duplicate. Going to go rename. Idle 2. Value is going to be 8. Yes? Yes. Animation, we're going to go duplicate, we're going to go rename, we're going to chuck you as idle 4. You're going to be on. And we're going to be there. Okay, come back to here, animation duplicate, animation rename, we're going to rename you to idle 3. Change your value to 16. So you're facing forward. Yeah. One thing I might have to tweak with this is add some eyeballs on or something. So it's like, okay, we're facing forward. Looking forward. But that'll be for later on. Animation duplicate. We're going to go rename. Walk 01. So now we are going to need something to... Whoop. Oh, that is... No. We are going to need something that detects the player's movement. Not too bad. Frames. Loop. We're going to make this 0.8. Yes. Going to... Whoop. Give you a little test. Yep, that's fine. That's fine and dandy. Animation rename. Come on. Walk 2. Get rid of you. Here, you are going to be value 8. Double test, yep. Okay, here. Not that, there. Oh, wait, no, not that. Yep. Duplicate. Rename. Walk 4. Yep. You're turning on. Do. Yep. Okay. Grab you. Duplicate. Rename. 3. Here. Put you to 16. Yes, yes. Okay. Sprite. Yep. Okay. Animation. Let's go. Animation func animation ref pass. Because we don't have dir, we're going to place it up here. Zero. On ready, we're going to make dir equals 3. So it's facing down. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab these values. So we're going to go form 1. Dir equals 1. Valid operator, only a.b is allowed. Okay, well, I guess we'll just do it like this. Vector 2 up, 2 right, equals 2, down equals dir equals 3, not animated 3D sprite. Vector 2 left, dir equals 4, default dir equals dir. Motion is not equal to vector 2.0, then we are going to go, usually helps if you reference the any equals boom sprite animation player. Yep. Okay, sprite animation player. Any wait, where are we? Motion there it is. Any dot play str dir else any dot play, we're going to go walk underscore plus str boop dir. Z should work, I think. Oh, wait. We'll just change those around. Wait, no, project settings, debug, visible collision shapes, okay, F5. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. So that's working. Let's try this out. That actually worked, okay. I was going to seem silly, I've never tried that before. Well, that saves me going in and getting all that to work. So okay, on ready var any equals so with the same sprite animation player. So we're going to go any.play idle 3. So he's just standing there facing down. Oh, it could be anything, I suppose. Follow player self position. Animation. We're going to go player.dir. Animation. Whoop. Ref. If player.motion not equal vector 2.0 any.play we go walk underscore there plus the string of ref, so that's referencing the direction from there. Yep. Else we're going to go any.play, we're going to go idle underscore next plus the string of ref. Do. Ah, that's good. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, that's working pretty well. Okay, that's cool. Okay. So I'd say that's working. Those are pretty straightforward to implement. Fixed conversion. Whoop, and we'll also go on there. Whoop. Fix formation. Whoop. What are you doing there? What are you doing? Oh, yeah, you oughta. Fix formation. Okay, so player, let's take a look at what's actually going on here. We're going to change that shape. No, we're going to change the size of it. There, move you. Whoop. There. That's for the NPC. Okay. For the player itself, move you down. Raycast, we're going to move you down there as well. So that's fine. F3, we're going to cast you. Oh, come on. Let's do 48. Make you 24. Also put you 24. Just tighten things up a little bit. Okay, so that's paving as is. Put you there, going to grab you there, we're going to put in a Y-sort node. But you are going to be all the way up there. You are going to be Z index, we're going to leave you at -1. Going to put all of you guys into there, and things have broken slightly, which we need to test here. Player level 00. So we Y sort player. Yes. Test you now. NPC, what are you going to do? I'm going to go, well, I'm just going to change you to color dot green. What I might do is, where is the player? I'm going to put on a camera, 2D. So center current, we're going to make you 0.5, 0.5. Just to bring in the action a little bit closer. Yep, okay, so what I might do, whoop, head's a bit muddled, okay, hurt pad, move another one to there, and another one, whoops, another one to, aha, overlapping. That's because on the tile map we have set not wall, floor. We need to set you to those two. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to put on the visible collision shapes. See, it's sticking out here. It has to be a bit dead on to get it. Might have to change up the raycast. Okay. These should work fine. Yeah, they're working fine. Okay. I'll just add a little bit more to it. Let's chuck this here. Once again with the bricks. Whoop, 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 whoop. One sec. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Just a little bit extra. Little extra razzle dazzle. Alright, let's go region. We're going to grab that one. Whoa, not you, that one. New single tile. There. This is going to be. Call this one wall. Call this one roof. Collision. I'm just going to make a. Whoop. There we square, square. There we go. Whoops, and project. Let's take a look at that. Okay. Since the raycast is working, how should we, is there a way to work around it? Can you do instead of a single ray, can you do a zone cast? Like, instead of just one point, it's like a region that casts out. Region, no. Zone, nah. Worth a shot. Maybe they might have had like a pre-built one in there, maybe? I don't know. So... not monitor, but gravity distance, gravity point, space override collision. Gonna make you monitor that. Pickable transform. Node. Area entered. Body entered. Area entered. We're going to connect you to player. We'll come back to you in a bit. Okay, so I'm going to have to add in a collision shape 2D. Rectangle. But we change you to there, there. There, the area 2D is going to move down. turn you off for now. Collision shape, go area 2D. So we're going to label this as testing. I'm ready for zone equals area 2D. Ray stuff. Going to move you down here. Func ray stuff. Just to tidy you up, so we can just go like this. But then we go, whoops. Area stuff. Come here, we go func area stuff. Going to go zone rotation degree. Whoop. So that was over here. Where was it? Under transform. Yep, rotation degrees equals zone dot position angle 2 motion. Positive tip position. There we go. Okay. GDScript native. We call this zone, right? Yeah, zone. Base GDScript able class areas of radials. What am I missing? Setting the rotation degrees of zone. Okay. From its position. Agreeing the zone position should be offset by, I think it's like 8 in the y-axis, angle 2 motion position, angle 2 motion, because I know that angle 2 motion returns degrees. If you did direction 2, it would return a vector. Let's try this then. We're going to grab you to there, area 2D. No, that has to be there. No. Yeah. Well, we'll just have to do it manually, I think. Each step is 8 pixels. Okay, so that will just be... Oh, it transforms different from... okay. Okay, now that's fine. Vector 2, going to go 0, 8. Angle 2, motion, wait, vector 2, and got this, area offset equals vector 2 is 0, 8. Let's call it area off. Area off, angle 2, area off plus motion. Because we need to offset where the motion is, because motion's done from 0. And the length of motion, that's not really important. But we're going to go if motion is not equal to vector 2.0, Aha, value type float. Hang on a second. Area off 0.8. Okay, I think I missed something. That's fine. We'll go vector 2. What's going on here? We're after angle. Returns this vector's angle in radians. Angle 2 is a flow point in radians. Angle between the line connecting 2 points and the x-axis in radians. Because it wasn't direction 2. Yeah, that returns normalized vector. Okay. Distance 2. Dot point aspect. Angle 2. Given vector in radians. Angle between the line connecting 2 points. Maybe if I convert this. Alright, well then, just work around this then. Not what I really wanted to do, but okay. Area 2D is going to be visibility transform. Collision shape is going to be there. Well, F3, the zone is not going to be the area 2D. It is. I just realized I forgot the bloody thing there. I'm an idiot. Whoops. Oh dear, that should work now. Oh wait, Anna. Come on, I just need to test it out a wee bit. No, errors are popping up, I can't see anything. Oh no. Visible collision shapes, okay. The simulation's collapsing. Okay. Almost there. It's because we're doing that part manually. Okay, so we can get rid of this area off. Dear, zone dot position angle to motion. Oh, what is going on here? Angle to motion, right deck. The zone is area 2D. Yeah, okay. What's going on? That's not working. Okay. To 0. Because we'll say it there to there. Because we're going from center point to motion. Motion is measured from 0. So don't need the position for this. We just need the degrees angle. So we go rad to degrees. Level 0 plus angle, going to go here, str of player, zone rotation degrees. 180. Ooh. Okay. Almost had it. Maybe after motion is defined there. No. Okay. So that's roughly the same. No biggie. Raise 2 degrees. We are to motion. Get rid of this conditional. No, that's still the same. Okay. Zero angle to motion. Maybe we can just do angle. What are we doing? Out there. So if we go angle, motion. Factor to 0. Okay, so that's just rad to deg motion dot angle. So we need to edit that collision shape. Give me a second. Where are we? Don't worry, we're getting there. We're getting there. So you need to go out this wise. Oh wait, maybe bring you in just a wee bit. Yeah. Okay, that was off center. Alright. So, need to go to here, copy. On ready, we're going to go 90. So that should be facing down when it starts. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we can get most of this. And we go to here. Reference isn't group human. We're going to make this area. 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 We got there in the end, but that is working pretty cool. Nice. Level, we are going to go here. Going to go here and here. Least, going to go UI. No. Cancel. Reload current scene. It should be if you press escape. There we go. So do this, boop, boop, boop. Cool beans. Alright. So yeah, fix the conversion, fix formation. Yeah, I'd say we fixed the formation as well, like everything's a bit tighter. So where are we? Boom, boom. And of course we can get really fancy with this formation at a later date, I suppose. So at the moment I've just defined it as a dictionary of positions, like set up as a circle. If you want it, you can have a square formation, triangle formation, or maybe even take the negative of motion. So I'll be walking this way, project it negatively and make that for position 1. Then from that, position 2, position 3, blah, 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 keep going. So you can have a conga line, so to speak. But yeah, I'd say that's pretty much what I wanted to achieve. Just a formation. I mean, the only other things I can add to test out is things like, I don't know, ranged attacks that when it hits the player, then one of the Horde entourage bodyguards dies off. Or maybe tie it so that if the middle player gets hit, instant death. If an outside bodyguard gets hit, they die, leaving a gap in your defense. Or I don't know. Lots of possibilities. But yeah, that worked out surprisingly well. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to call it here for today. Once again, thanks for watching. Links to my Discord and itch.io are in the description. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Bye.